Palawan, El Nido.
Yan. Siya guys, bantayan na siya guys ha. Yan yung ating ikakalaka later. Let's go, Bibs! Woo! Welcome to 7 Commando Beach, El Nido.
Oh, ito ay.
So yan guys, sasakay na kami sa boat. Let's go, Bibs!
Hi, let's go! Hi!
May mga starting gears na kayo,
Let's go guys!
na gagamitin sa starting activity. Kung wala po may foreign title, pwede pa po pang balikan kasi yung food natin babalikan ko pa. Baka gusto nyo, pasabay nyo na sa akin.
Update mga ka-Saudi living. So nandito tayo sa boat kung saan mag-start na yung ating island hopping.
Sino? Baka pwede halapan. Oo.
Let's go!
Introduce myself. Okay, my name is Tunoy. I will be your tour guide. Okay? So you are 24 person. Just follow to me. Okay? I am the one only. Okay? And also welcome to the most desirable and most beautiful island in the world, Palawan. And welcome to the world's #1. Welcome to El Nido. Okay? So El Nido which is composed of 18 barangays in one municipality. El Nido is located at the northernmost part of Palawan. In El Nido, we have 64 islands and islets. We have more than 888 species of the birds. We have more than 418 species of the coral reefs and 5 different seafarers. Okay? And today, everyone, welcome to our company. We was from Eva Travel and Tours. And welcome to our boat, EPC Anchor Hikitek, that is our boat today. It's very difficult to recognize that name. Okay? So always remember kindly the name of our boat because later on the island there's a lot of them. Okay? So we're Hikitek number 4, I think. That's number 4. So there is a 1, 2, and 3, and we have number 4 today. Okay? And today everyone, welcome to the 45 islands and islets. Also, our tour is which is composed of 5 stop or 5 destinations. We see that we have 2 lagoons stay, 2 beach, and 1 snorkeling activity. Again, we have 2 lagoons, 2 beaches, and 1 snorkeling activity, included our lunch area. That it's okay, everyone. 5 stop.
Yes.
Sir. If not okay, we're gonna get only 4. Just kidding, sir.
Make it 6.
So, 6. We have to drive out. But you have an additional payment. So we're gonna get 6. Okay? And also, let me remind you, our tour is most popular, for sure is crowded, sir. Okay? And now we're gonna do reverse destinations. Supposed to be our first stop in Big Lagoon, but during this time or early morning, it's very busy or for sure it's crowded. So that's why we make beach only first, sir. That is 7 Commando Beach. 7 Commando is not an island, so that is an island that rock cliff. 7 Commando still part of the mainland. Okay? So that's our first destination. Takes more or less 20 to 30 minutes approximately. Okay? In activity, we're gonna having swimming and pictures, sightseeing, some feeding like that. Okay? And every destinations we have only 30 to 40 minutes. Except to a kayaking activity because that kayaking we're gonna spend more time or longer time like 1 hour sir, or an hour. Okay? So for sure for worth it your kayak activity. Okay? So that kayak we're gonna do at the Big Lagoon, sir. Okay? So kayak it's not included in your package. You have to rent that kayak. Okay? So I hope you already was informed about that kayak. Okay? And also we have secret lagoons today. So for now it's secret because everybody knows, right? Okay. And also we have a snorkeling activity and Shimizu Island or either Pupulkan Island. Okay? And also our lunch area will be Payong Beach or Umbrella Beach.
Umbrella Beach.
Alright. So we have 5 stops for today. Okay? So by the way, our boat captain right there, can call him Kuya Francis,
Nakunin ko na yan,
or aka Jack Sparrow number 69. Yes, and we have
Jack Sparrow.
Kuya Wilfred right there, and Kuya Tom, the green t-shirt or long sleeve, okay? And today, everyone is first time to visit El Nido. Everyone, ma'am sir. Okay, let me remind, El Nido is protected area. Everyone, we have guidelines and policies that we need to follow during our island tour today, okay? So first, rule here in our route, please kindly wear your life jacket. That is for the Coast Guard mandatory here. During navigation, need to wear it, okay? And those are good swimmer, we allow you to take or remove it, but later on the first destinations only. During navigating, we need to wear it, okay? And also, second, please be responsible to rest. Everyone, you know what I mean? Yes, so throwing littering in the garbage or rubbish anywhere is not allowed here. If you have some garbage, trash, or kindly put under the seat, ma'am, sir. After our tour, we can do it out. Okay? And third, please do not collect anything as your souvenir from the island. Even small thing, we are not allowed to collect it. Okay?
Okay.
So just take nothing but pictures only.
Alright.
Okay?
Copy.
And fourth, to your personal belongings, your valuables, please kindly always check it. Every time we go down to the beach or back to our boat, please double check it. Okay? Reminder, sometimes there's a guest gonna lost the things. Our company is not liable to any damage or losses to your things. That is clear, everyone.
Yes, clear.
And lastly, drinking liquor is not allowed here in our boat, especially in the island. And those want to smoke or smoker, we have designated area at the first destination, 7 months. Please do not smoke in our seat and in front of us to restrict some other guests. That's okay, everyone. Okay, and those are gonna rent the snorkeling gears. So let me remind that snorkeling gears do have floater, mami sir. When you lose that at the water part, you might sinking or sinking down, mami sir. Okay? When you lose that, just inform me. So I will do my best, mami sir, to get not. So that is the responsibility to the owner. Okay?
Okay.
So that is for our list 1,000 pesos or 1,500 pesos. So please kindly give it your baskets. Okay?
Alright.
So may naman any suggestions, everyone, or concern?
Yan, update guys. So, natin natin yung clearing bago tayo makaalis. Same din sa Saudi. Kapag magbo-boating kayo, kailangan mo na ma-clear ng Coast Guard. Then, pwede na kami umalis para mag-start ng island hopping. So, nandun.
Okay? So, we're not allowed to swim right in there at the wolf park. So, and also we have 13 port in the
Yun daw yung Villaggio, $700 ang per night nila. Yan yung Villaggio. Yan.
Allowed to break down the place. So, if you have, please kindly live in here. Okay? And we're just gonna be, yes po. We're just gonna be dropping it up by the boat. It means after we're going out from the dock, our boat is going to the parking area like this. Okay? So if you wanna bring your things, you can bring it. It's up to you. But if you want to live here, that is safe here in our boat. If you want to leave your things, okay? And those wanna buy the drinks or stuff.
Yun guys, nakabaya tayo ng ating boat. Ito ang ating boat, number 4. Kirikitek number 4. So, first time ko sa dagat na El Nido. Oh. Ito ang ating first stop. Hello!
Ayun, 6
Hey, hey, hey! Hi! For the vlog!
Welcome to Palawan. El Nido.
Yan. Siya guys, bantayan na siya guys ha. Yan yung ating ikakalaka later. Let's go, Bibs! Woo! Go! Welcome to 7 Comando Beach, El Nido!
Oh, ito ay.
Hey!
Black wallet.
Kuya, mamaya i-drone shot mo ulit ako doon ha. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Yes, for the vlog. So ayan, tapos na tayo dito sa Blue Lagoon Beach. Sasakay na po ang mga person. Boat number 4. Ganda.